y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you've been here before, I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So today I did an emerald eyeshadow type look. I used a new product to achieve this look, which I will show you in the video. You can use this look for, the holidays or just any time. Also, if you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short on Monday and a new video on Fridays. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, make sure you keep on watching. Okay, to start off, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 to prime my eyes, and I'm using my one side setting powder to set it. Now I'm going to use Juvia's Place the Warrior 2 eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to take that shade and put that in my crease. Next, I'm going to use the e.l.f. No Budge matte eyeshadow stick. This is in Lava Lamp, and this is a new product for me, so it's the first time that I'm using it. Now I'm going to use my Maven Beauty Liquid Eyeliner. For lashes, I'm going to use my Ioni Wispy Crisscross Dramatic Lashes and my House of Lashes Eyelash Glue. Okay, to make sure there's no gap showing where I put my lashes, I'm going to use my Sephora eye pencil, and I'm going to use my Essence waterproof mascara. Moving on to the face, I already moisturized. Now I'm going to use my Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. Next, I'm using my Sephora Beauty Amplifier Pore Primer. To correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. my foundation, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in shade 425. Next, for some more coverage, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut, and I'm going to put this all the places where I put my orange corrector. To highlight, I'm going to use my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in Medium Dark Warm, and I'm going to put this all the places where the light will naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm using my Juvia's Place bronzer palette in the dark. I'm just going to take that top shade to contour my nose, as well as go around my jawline because it's lighter. And I'm going to use the other shade to bronze the other parts of my face. Next, I'm just blending out that concealer that I had down. Now I'm using a mixture of my APA setting powder in Deep Peach and my one size translucent setting powder to set where I had that concealer down. For my all over face powder, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in 440. Now I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Saharian Blush Volume 1 palette, and I'm going to use that brown shade for my blush, and I'm going to use the other shade for my highlight. Next, I'm using Juvia's Place the Candy Shop Lip Gloss in Choco Milo and their lip liner in Brownie. To set my face, I'm using Cover FX setting spray. And that's it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed this makeup look as much as I enjoyed creating it. I really like that e.l.f. shadow stick, and it comes in other colors as well, and it stayed pretty well, which I was surprised by being a stick, but it did. It stayed all day, and so that was a really good thing, so I definitely would recommend it. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. Comment, like, share. I'd love to hear from you all. Don't forget, I upload a new short on Monday, a new video every Friday. And I will see you on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Thank you for watching, y'all. Bye.